Okay, so here I have a button, and this button will change the Skybox textures. However, there's a slight problem with this script. If I was to make my ground really reflective, and if I was then to playtest, we can see that when I click the button, while the Skybox changes, the reflection doesn't change. And so this twilight looking environment still has these nice fluffy clouds as a reflection. So how do we go about fixing that? Well, to do so, we first need to figure out what's going on. So if we come into the lighting tab, we can see that we've got environment reflections, and this is done via Skybox. This will mean that Unity will auto-generate the correct reflection for the current Skybox. However, this happens when the game starts and doesn't update during runtime. So a solution to this is to instead change this to custom. This means that we're now responsible for what the reflection is going to be. And we can see that currently it's all black because there is no reflection. So I just want a texture, and this texture has to be a cube map. So you'll probably have to get a panoramic of your Skybox. And you just want to drag and drop that in, and it will give a reflection. However, once again, if we change the Skybox, it won't update the cube map reflection to match the Skybox. So we need to update this custom reflection inside of our Udon script. So if I just click on my cube and open up the Udon graph, we agree with the previous code. Now there is a slight update here which just makes it look a little bit cleaner, but it functionally works the same as the previous script that I showed. So what we now need to do is create an array of the different types of reflections. So I'm going to come up here and create a cube map array. I'm going to call this cube map reflections. And then I'm going to hit this drop down menu and make it public so we're able to see it inside the inspector. I then want to drag and drop this in. And I want to use a cube map array get node. I'm going to grab our selected int. Then after we set the Skybox with the set Skybox node, I then want to create a render setting set custom reflection. And I want to plug our cube map value into this. And so now when we change a selected int, it will set our Skybox, and then we'll grab the corresponding reflection cube map and set the reflection to that. Just be aware that you have to make sure that the cube map array is the same or greater size than the material array, otherwise the script will crash, as we're not accounting for it up here. Anyways, we just want to come here and hit compile and come back into a scene view. I then want to come down here and make sure that our reflection is the same size as our Skybox array. And then I just want to drag and drop the corresponding reflection into each of the slots. Awesome, so now if I was to hit playtest, and so now whenever I hit the button, we can see that the reflection matches the Skybox that it changed to. Awesome, so hope you found this helpful. Feel free to leave a like on the video if you liked, to leave a comment down below with any questions, and feel free to check out some of my other tutorials that I have on the channel. But until next time, bye!